Okay, so why have these bigger companies been saying that prices are going to decline? Well, if you look at Ivy Zelman, they're predicting a 5% decline this year in home prices. Some of the other companies are also doing that, and when you average it out, it becomes a very, very slight appreciation of 0.1% for 23. Well, why is that? They were expecting that inventory was going to continue at the rate that it was. And this graph shows you that these predictions were based off of that information. When you can in fact see that we've had a steep decline in inventory. Our inventory sure is higher than it was last year and the year before, but that's because we were in COVID and those numbers were extremely low. If you look at the last normal years, which were 16, 17, we're still not even close to the number of new listings coming to market that we saw back then. So with our decline in inventory and rates going down as well, now we're seeing some of these bigger banks who 1 week were predicting a 6% decrease, and in the very next week are now readjusting their numbers to say we're going to see a 2.1% decrease in prices. Well, if what you're really looking at is local market statistics for us here in Orange County, we are not seeing those declines like they are in Texas and Vegas and these other areas. We don't have the inventory, we don't have space to build a bunch of new construction. And we still have buyer demand, especially with interest rates dropping below 6% last week. That rate is fluctuating, we know, but the overall trend is a downward trend, right? Inventory is lower than the experts expected. They're projecting that the spring market we're going to be in the high fives probably in interest rates, which means that we're going to start seeing multiple offers again. Some of our properties are already seeing that. The lower price point, we're already seeing multiple offers again. But that mid-range that has been sitting on the market a little bit longer, expect those to have multiple offers again as we go into these next few months and rates continue to go down. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks so much.